Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will obviously want to open up your settings, and typically you would be located right here in the main settings page. So in here you're going to scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Backup and Reset. Now before I actually start showing you how you can reset your device, I'm going to quickly mention that you can actually back it up before you go, as this is going to be one of the things that will happen. All the data on the device will be removed, so if you keep anything on your phone that you like to preserve, go to the backup and migrate option right here. Now I also will warn you, this will allow you to create a backup, but it's basically kind of like an automatic one, which is a very simple backup for you to do, but then it will limit you to OPPO as a brand. So you will only be able to access this backup on other OPPOs. If you want to have it available to you on no matter what device you're using, then you will need to do it through a cable using a computer. This will basically be the good way to do it, as it allows you to back up everything without your computer basically being like, oh no, you can't restore that backup on other brands. So that is going to be a better option, I would say, all in all, as you can keep it as long as you want. Your data isn't publicly available, or maybe not publicly, but available to a company to basically access, no matter what they say. I doubt it's ever private. And you're also not limited to just the brand that you have used to back up your device. But in any case, once you have done so, or maybe you just don't want to back up your device, you can select Reset Phone right here, erase all data. Now it will let us know that this will basically permanently clear all data, like I mentioned. So we're going to select Erase Data. We have two options. Either we can keep the eSIM profile, or we can clear all data, which will remove eSIM. I don't have any kind of eSIM in here added, so I'm going to select the second one anyways, as I do want to just make sure that everything is removed. Select Clear, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this process will take about 2 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.